Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about a topic creating a simple web service. This is our fourth unit. This is the final topic of our fourth unit, and also it is an important question for both practical and theory. This is also one of our practical exercise. Students, so carefully listen. Okay. What is meant by web service? In the previous class, I told you, no. What is meant by web service? It is a service which help to perform extra services for the user. Yeah, and also it is an important piece of the .NET framework. It solves the problems which are arise from the design and implementation of distributed software system, etc., etc. These are web services. Why we need web service? Once our business is extended into internet, surely we need web service. How to develop web service? That only we are going to listen. Got it? Creating a simple web service. It is nothing but just like our ordinary ASP.NET project. Got it? Where we are going to create web service? We are going to create web service project in Visual Studio.NET. First we have to create a web service class. Then we use the code behind techniques to develop web service. What is meant by code behind technique? Code behind technique. That means the code which are reside in the back side of the design window. That means while we are writing the code for the event handling of various controls inside in the document. Got it? Next, we may test this web service using the Internet Explorer. Got it? Here we are going to check whether the given text is palindrome or not. In this web service, it will accept an input string that consists of a word or phrase. It may either a single word or it may be a sentence. And it will then, after checking, it will return a Boolean value. Boolean means true or false value. If the checked string is matched, it will return true. Otherwise, it returns false. Students, just listen. What is meant by palindrome? The original string and the reverse string must be same during comparison. For example, ma'am, M-A-M. Just reverse it. That is also M-A-M. This is palindrome. Okay. Malayalam. This is palindrome. Got it? Original string and the reverse of the string must be same. For this, we need to do some of the steps. The first step is to launch the Visual Studio.NET. That is, we may know how to launch Visual Studio.NET. How to launch Visual Studio.NET? Just click on the Start button. Then select Visual Studio Framework. Got it? Next, after that, your ASP.NET project will be displayed. ASP.NET project window will be displayed. Wait a minute. This is the Visual Studio project. Here the project type, display a list of project types. That is, the first one is the Visual Studio project, Visual Basic projects, next Visual C++ project, C Sharp, next Visual C++, etc. etc. In that we may select the Visual Basic projects. Then it will display a list of application types. From that you may create the empty web project. There a list of applications we are going to develop with the help of the website, web application. From that you may select the web service. Got it? It may vary in various versions. Got it, students? Okay. Next we move on to, in that ASP Visual Studio project, just select File, then New Project from the menu. Highlight the Visual Basic Project folder under the project type list. Select the ASP.NET Web Service icon and assign that web service name as Palindrome. Next, assign classes. How to assign classes? Select the source code editor or option from the list and click the open button. The source file appears and contains the following code. While we are selecting web service, ASP.NET Web Service, the source code page contains this code. That is web service language equal to VB, code behind equal to palindrome.asmx. You already know about what is the file extension for web service, that is .asmx. Here we are going to develop our web service with the help of the programming language Visual Basic. Next, class name. Class equal to palindrome.service1. By default, its name must be service1. Got it? Next, source code window editor is look like this. We just click the source code and then click open. After that, we may enter the web service code in the code behind window. Switch the design view code for the palindrome.asmx file. What is meant by switch the design code? That means we may switch between the design window and the code window. Right click on switch the design view code for the palindrome.asmx file. Right click on it and select view code. It will open the code behind the file, that is palindrome.asmx. In that we may type the following code. What is that? Web method public function is palindrome. They are reside inside the code window itself. You may just type the line these are the line you may want to type inside that code window. Got it, students? What is that? Text string equal to replace text string, comma. Replace needs 3 parameters. First the input string, next a space, after that another one string, empty string, 2 empty strings. Next text string equal to, we need to change that given input string to uppercase character. It may if you give the input as lowercase or either in uppercase, while executing the program it must be converted into an uppercase character. Got it? Next, check. If str reverse, it will check the reverse string and the original string are same or not. For that, if str reverse of test string equal to test string, then is palindrome equal to true. Otherwise, is palindrome equal to false. Is palindrome is the function which are developed in the web method. Got it, students? Next, here the code window is look like this. This is the place, listen students, that web method is reside. Web method public function hello world as string. Here we need to change it as palindrome. It will automatically change it as hello method will be replaced as is palindrome, because we are going to check the given string is palindrome or not. For that we need to replace the hello world to is palindrome. Then this line is replaced by the 3 lines which are specified in the previous line. This is the line. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines you need to add inside that. Got it? Next, we need to execute the program. We may just press the F5 key or do the following procedure. Select the build menu from the menu bar. After that, in that pop-up menu, we need to select the sub-menu. We need to select the build solution. Then select the debug menu from the menu bar. In that sub-menu, we may select the start without debugging to run the web service. This will be launched in the Internet Explorer and the web service test page is displayed. The web service test page is here. This is the web service test page. You need our web service is show here. It will be displayed here is palindrome. You may need to just click that link. Click that is palindrome hyperlink to open the palindrome test page. To test the is palindrome method, enter a string, then click the invoke button. First, we need to click this link. After that, it will display a page. It will consist of the input string. That means we need to, it is an input getting page. We need to enter the input in the types test string box. This is the place where you need to give the input. After that, you may, after giving the input, you may click the submit button. It will display, the output will be displayed like this. If the given string is palindrome, it will display true here. Otherwise, it will display false. This is the web service creation and how to execute the web service. Got it, students? Thank you. Listen carefully. This is one of your practical exercise. Got it, students? Next week we may start our ASP.NET practical. Okay. Thank you, students. Meet you on another one session.